What if I told you that the only reason you're not great at anything is because you never learned how to learn? You've been wasting time watching tutorials, reading books, but still stuck because no one gave you the system until now. Without any wasting time, here is the rule number one: be specific. Don't just say, I want to learn coding. Say, I want to build web apps using JavaScript. Specific goals give your brain a clear target. Step two, break it into chunks. Every skill has sub-skills. Break it down into small, learnable parts and tackle them one by one. Step three, learn just in time. Don't overconsume theory. Instead, learn what you need right when you need it. Step four, get feedback. Fast. Whether from a mentor, AI tool, or even the result itself, know where you're going wrong early. Step five, commit to just 20 hours. Forget the 10,000-hour myth. You'll be surprised what focused practice can do in just 20 hours. Skill mastering isn't about talent, it's about having a process. You don't need more time, just more clarity. Now that you know the system, what's stopping you?